Good morning, middle school. This is our 2 hour late schedule. And so for our seventh and eighth graders, as I scroll down, just a note about your day, your class periods will be a little over 30 minutes. For most of them, there'll be a couple short ones around 20 minutes. Your lunch is at the same time. And so you will go to your first period at 10:15, and then you will go to lunch, Laker time, and then go to second hour and so on. I cannot guarantee clocks will be representing this time. And so if not clocks, but bells, if bells go off at different times, like a regular day, we'll ignore those and we'll pass as the time shows here in our schedule. Um, those are our main changes for today. Just a reminder that anything that was done yesterday is due today. And so if it wasn't turned in during your online e-learning experience, you need to make sure you turn that in today. All right, crew, it looks like a rough little bit of weather yet going on. We're going to make it through today, and then we'll see what tomorrow looks like. Have a great one, and we'll see you around lunch.